sits on it.
But it's gonna be over the water.
That's what you. This is just for the light, bro. Cause you can drop the other one.
You wanna do it? Alright, let's try that. Never mind.
You got the plug?
Yeah, plug. Alright. Stop. Bigger. It feels like the fish is running in the line, but really the fish nibbling it like that. Damn. It's
Almost on the road.
Good size. Good job, brother. Don't lose them. Oh. Walleye, yes.
Ooh, wow.
That's what we want.
See that minnow in there? Nope.
Babe, what we talking about, babe? That's what I'm saying.
Striper. Nah, no striper. Ooh, baby, this is what I'm talking about. See that? Oh, yeah.
Sirree.
Yes, sirree.
No, that's 8-pound line right there.
Yeah, no wonder.
That's my lucky pull right there. I give you. What I'm talking about.
Hold on.
That's a fat one.
That's fat. Close. Close, cameraman. Thank you, sir.
Oh. I got one though, out of 5,000.
Heavy boy.
Wee.
Yeah. Drop it low. Drop it low.
How much coffee y'all got left on?